Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today, I'm going to show you how to create an AI miniature supercar video using a complete AI workflow. From the unboxing, to the build, to the mechanical assembly, and finally the cinematic reveal. Just like this picture, but as a complete video that you can share on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. First, copy the full prompt from here, everything from the beginning all the way to the bottom. Then open ChatGPT. You can also use DeepSeek or Claude if you prefer. Paste the prompt here, and ChatGPT will give you a huge list of different car models to choose from. For this example, I'm going to choose Bugatti number 5. I'll copy the name, paste it back into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate the complete video prompt for this specific car. Now, we just wait a little bit while it generates the prompt. And there we go, this is the prompt. I'm going to copy it and head over to Google Flow. From here, we create a new project. Now let's adjust the settings. I'm going to choose 1x because we don't want to waste too many tokens. It also makes the generation faster and more efficient. Next, we choose the video ingredients option, set the format to 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and then paste our prompt. And now the generation starts. Just wait a little bit while the video is being generated. And don't forget, we selected 1x so we don't consume too many tokens. This can save us around 40% compared with higher settings. Now that our first video is done, let's create another one. We'll go back to ChatGPT and use the same workflow. This time, let's choose another car, Porsche number 3. I'll copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it generate the complete prompt for us. Once the prompt is ready, I'll copy it and take it back to Google Flow. We use the same settings again, paste the prompt, and start the generation. And now, we just wait a little bit. Ooh, here they are. Our videos are finished, and they look amazing. And look at this, we even have audio and all the details included. But we're not stopping here. Let's create one more. This time, we're going with Audi number 8. Same process again. We copy the car, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to generate the complete video prompt. Then we copy the prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it, and start generating. Now, just wait while the video is in progress. And woo well. Here is our final video. This looks absolutely amazing. So, if you found this tutorial helpful and you want to learn more AI workflows like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.